everyone, welcome to Lectures by Aparna. This video discusses a study plan for GATE exam for 1 year. I am uploading this video in the month of February. So you are having an entire year to prepare for the exam. So let's move on to our video. It is very important that you plan your studies well and prepare a schedule based on the syllabus of the exam. So first thing you have to do is download the syllabus of the exam. Next, you should know the mark distribution. For GATE exam, total 65 questions will be there. Out of this, 10 questions will be asked from general aptitude. The rest 55 questions will be asked from core subjects and mathematics. So the mark distribution is like this. For maths 15 marks, general aptitude 15 marks and core subjects 70 marks. Total 100 marks. Once you know the syllabus and the mark distribution, you can plan your studies. Now let us go to the main part of this video, that is month-wise planning of your studies. My stream is Electronics and Communication. So in the study plan that I am showing you, you can replace the core subjects with your subjects and plan accordingly. So this is the study plan I have made. I have made the study plan from March to next January. You can take a screenshot of this if you need. The months December and January has been completely allotted for revision and mock tests. In November, you can study the topics that you have left out while studying and also do your revision. In the rest 8 months, you can prepare one core subject and one topic from maths each month. You can choose which subject you need to learn according to your wish. So you are having one whole month to prepare a core subject, which means you can do the studies thoroughly and build your subject concepts. So here I have allotted digital electronics and linear algebra from maths portion to the month of March. I have chosen an easy subject to start the preparation because if you choose a tough subject, there is a chance that you may get demotivated in the beginning itself. So just start with a simple subject. In April, it is Electronic Devices and Vector Analysis. In May, Signals and Systems and Calculus. In June, Analog Circuits and Differential Equations. In July, Network Theory and Probability and Statistics. In August, Communication Systems. Since Communication Systems includes analog and digital communication, you can study that subject during the whole month of August. In September, it is Control System and Complex Analysis. And in October, you can study Electromagnetic Field Theory. So this is a study plan you can stick to if you are preparing for GATE exam. If you are studying a topic, for example, if you are studying amplitude modulation, after studying the topic, do all the questions in your question bank from that topic and previous year question papers before you move to the next topic. Also make sure that you keep a notebook for each subject separately, so that when you do revision, you will just have to go through these notebooks and it will save a lot of time. In this schedule, I have written only core subjects and mathematics. You are having a portion called General Aptitude, which includes verbal ability and logical reasoning questions. So these are the topics that come in this section. Make sure you practice this also for a little bit of time each day. For verbal ability, try to learn at least 5 new words each day and their meaning. By the time of the exam, you will have learned a lot of new words. So this is the study plan for 1 year. Also don't forget to check out my channel because I have done a lot of video lectures on ECE subjects. If this video has helped you, please do subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.